that's on a computer can scramble its memory?
Buys this trash.
Honestly, Thomas,
Idiots
somehow
who
you're
need
worse
gifts
than a
for other
child.
idiots.
Hey, I got you guys refrigerator
I've told you a
magnets.
million times.
A computer is not
Get it up! Get it! Uh-oh. How
It's a
many
fine
roads must a man
And
walk
as such, they
down
should be treated with a
before
certain
you-
degree of...
Keep those things off of me! Magnets screw up my inhibition
Not to
unit.
mention...
You flip out and start acting like some crazy folk singer?
Hi,
Yes.
you guys.
I guess a robot would have to be
Hey,
crazy
look
to
what my
wanna
magnets do. I think world's the greatest grandma works the best.
I will
Dirty in my diary.
Child Russell, that's terrible.
Bender! Hey, Bender!
We'll
Over
discuss
here!
this later.
Oh, jeez, I went to high school with that guy.